so. I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. But don't come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. But don't come back no more.
Well, now baby, listen, baby, don't you treat me this way. Well, I'll be back on my feet someday.
Don't care if you do what it's understood. Oh, you got no money and you ain't no good.
Oh, well, I can't see it, you say so. I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. But don't come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. But don't come back no more.
When I come back in Orange Street, sitting on a fence.
Yes, yes.
There's a test you could take to be a citizen. Would you like to be Canadian?
Okay, I guess you're
I
in.
guess you're in. Well, I'm glad I live in Canada. Summer, spring, and fall. Our country is so big. Our problems are so small. When .coms went under, I was A-OK. I was not .com. I was .ca. Canada is much more than a borderline. Canada's not a state. I guess it's a state of mind. Some Americans are Canadians. To them we tip our hats. About half of them, I'd say, they call them Democrats. Well, I'm glad I live in Canada, and I do give thanks. I like the lakes and mountains, and real estates and banks. You'll learn things in Canada you never learn in school. Like Mexico is hot, but Canada is cool. I wanna live. That's the wrong key.
I thought so.
You know, when you figure these out at home, it sounds good, but when you get on stage, I do.
You know, James, never mind. We'll do the song. I'll save my jokes for later. Thank you.